Well, big surprise, guys. I just realized I made a mistake, which isn't a big deal because you kind of need to know how to do this anyways. And turns out we don't need this selling price column. I thought we did and we don't. So what we're going to do is we're just going to delete that entire column. It's really easy. Again, we got to select the whole column. So you're going to come up here to the top. You're going to hover over the F and you're going to click it. That will select the entire column. And you're simply going to right click, which is either your two finger tap in the middle, or you can go to the bottom right corner of your trackpad and click right. And we're just going to come down here and we're going to select delete. Okay. So to determine the profit, here's what you need to do that. I want you to kind of think mathematically again. If we had 70 animal erasers and we were marking up each one 25 cents a piece, think what mathematical operation would you use to determine the total profit? And hopefully you know. And then remember, what do all formulas start with? Hopefully you got it. And it is the equal sign. So go ahead and type your equal sign in here. And for this one, we are going to be saying, okay, if I had 70 animal erasers, so I'm going to click that. So C2, and you're selling each one at 25 cents additional than what they cost. So that would be your profit. You're going to use multiplication. I hope you guys got that right. The multiplication symbol on your keyboard is actually what's called an asterisk. And that is the symbol that should be on your number 8 key. And you're going to have to hit shift. So I'm going to hit shift and I'm going to hit the 8 key. That is your multiplication symbol. And then I'm going to select the markup price of the 70 animal erasers. So I'm going to click here. It's going to fill it in for me. Excuse me. And then I'm going to hit enter. So basically, if we were to sell all 70 erasers, having marked them up 25 cents a piece, our profit would be it would be $17.50. Again, you can see that technically $17.50 should be 17.50. It is the same cost, but it bugs me. So I want you to go ahead and fix this. Hopefully you remember this from what we did before. You're going to hover over the F. You're going to select it. And you're just going to come here and click the dollar sign. And that will, now all of those will convert automatically to the dollars and the cents. All right, go ahead, fill out the rest of your formulas for the rest of your items. Again, you're using multiplication. Don't forget each, I forgot what I was going to say. Oh, it's you're using multiplication, and you're basically just multiplying the value of what's in your quantity times how much you mark that up.